In Japanese, there are 4 different ways to make a conditional statement. Each of these is used differently for different purposes. This video explains how you can use them correctly for the type of statement you want to make. There are 4 different ways you can make a conditional statement in Japanese. When I write S1, it means the statement 1, and S2 means the statement 2. The first one that I write as S1 to S2 is the statement of the form such as the following. 魚をたくさん食べると頭が良くなります。It roughly means if you eat a lot of fish, then you will become smarter. The sentence S1 should be in the non-past plain form. The second one that I write as S1 ba S2 is a statement of the form such as the following. 魚をたくさん食べれば頭が良くなります。It also means basically the same as the first sentence. For this type, S1 is a sentence ending with a conditional form of a verb or an adjective. The third one that I write as S1 tara S2 is the statement of the form such as the following. 魚をたくさん食べたら頭が良くなります。This also means the same as the first two. For this type, S1 is a sentence ending with the ta form and adding la, then connected to the second sentence. The fourth one that I write as S1 nara S2 is a statement of the form such as the following. 魚をたくさん食べるなら、あのレストランがいいですよ。It means something like, if you eat a lot of fish, I recommend that restaurant. If a discovery is expressed in the second statement, then use S1 to S2 or S1 tara S2. For example, 東京に行くと朝のラッシュアワーが大変ですよ。東京に行ったら朝のラッシュアワーが大変ですよ。Both mean if you go to Tokyo, the morning rush hour would be overwhelming. As you can see, the overwhelming morning rush hour would be discovered if you go to Tokyo. Ba and nara can be used for this. These expressions sound funny for us, and we just don't say it. If the statement is about a repeatable phenomenon or general rule, use S1 to S2 or S1 ba S2. For example, 雨が降るとちょっと涼しくなります。雨が降ればちょっと涼しくなります。Both mean if it rains, it's going to be a bit cooler. It's a general statement about what happens if it rains. If you say, 雨が降ったらちょっと涼しくなります。It also means similar to the first two, but the nuance is a bit different. This statement is talking about a particular instance, for example, today's condition, rather than the general statement. We simply don't use nara in this case. If it's a general rule or repeatable phenomenon, you can use either to or ba. But one thing to note is that when you are using ba, S2 has to be our desirable outcome. If it's an undesirable outcome, then use to instead. For example, タバコを吸うと病気になります。It means you will be sick if you smoke. For this sentence, you can't use ba because being sick is undesirable. If you want to talk about a specific instance, use S1 ba S2 or S1 tara S2. For example, この薬を飲めば元気になりますよ。この薬を飲んだら元気になりますよ。These sentences both mean if you take this medicine, you will become more energetic. While S1, たら S2 can be used for both as a general statement or a specific instance. S1 ば S2 is talking about a specific instance. Using と it's more about the general statement about taking this medicine and not about the specific instance that you want to talk about here. We simply don't use なら. If S2 happens before S1 in your sentence, then use S1 なら S2. Other three expressions always have the order of S1 followed by S2, but it doesn't matter for なら. For example, 家を買うなら見に行きましょう. It means if you are going to buy a house, let's go see it. In this sentence, the first part of the sentence, to buy a house, happens after going to see some houses described in the second sentence. なら can be used a bit differently from other three. S1 in なら in the condition that you become aware of, and S2 would be your opinion, thought, or advice. Other three won't work in this sentence, except たら changes its meaning. Because S1 has to happen before S2 for たら, if you say 家を買ったら見に行きましょう, it means something like if the house is bought, let's go see it. To make the subject of each sentence clear, let's say すみさんが家を買ったら見に行きましょう. It means that if Mr. Smith buys a house, let's go see it. I hope this video helped you understand how to use 4 different conditional statements in Japanese. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any requests for a grammar topic to be covered, please post a comment below. Thank you for watching.